All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at the verb confirm. 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 To make sure something is the way it is. Yes. I will confirm the meeting. Making sure it is going to happen at this time. No other time. Confirm. So we could say, I can confirm the meeting is at 1 p.m. Yes. When will they confirm the appointment? Yeah. How are you going to confirm it? We have this thing. We need to know it's going to happen for definite. How are we going to confirm it? So then we could say she needed to confirm her options at any time. We needed to confirm it. We had to confirm it yesterday. We had to confirm it yesterday. I confirmed it just now. I am confirming it now. I'm confirming it now. Yes, 1 p.m. Exactly. So they will be confirming. So soon they will be confirming the decisions. Yeah, we will confirm tomorrow what our decision is. Tomorrow is when we will confirm it. Tomorrow is when we will confirm it. Yes. So confirm. Very good. So I can confirm. When will they confirm? She needed to confirm. I confirmed. They will be confirming. How cool is that? So, yeah. So you can subscribe to the channel for more videos, more lessons to come, and follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. More lessons to come, more videos every day. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.